In this video, you are going to learn budgeting. Topics I am going to discuss are: what is budget? Example of a budget. What is budgeting? What are the requirements for effective budgeting? What is budgetary control? Advantages of budgeting and limitations of budgeting. Let's start the video. Before going into the budgeting, we must know what the budget is. A budget is an instrument of management used as an aid in planning, programming and control of business activity. A budget is used for cost control purposes, and it is one of the most important activities employed by management. The budget represents the financial requirement of different sections of a business during a period, to achieve an estimated profit based upon a given volume of sales. It depends on past statistical data, and predicts the estimated labor, sales, production and other management requirements for a definite budgetary period. As an example, a recreation budget of a person for one fine evening may look as: taxi charge to a cinema hall $20, cinema ticket $7, dinner in a restaurant $75, and taxi charges back to home $20. Total is $122. The budget is a statement showing the way the person plans to spend $122. So, what is budgeting? Budgeting is the art of budget making. Budget plays an important role in the development and use of modern cost accounting systems, in all types of business enterprises. Good budgeting shows the manager what he may expect in sales over the next few months. It permits the formulation of production quota, including the types and quantities of material, the number and kind of labors, the amount of overhead and fixed asset requirements, and it points out financial requirement needed to accomplish the budget plan. Thus, budgeting implies forecasting and pre-planning for the budget period, based upon past statistical data, and present conditions. What are the requirements for an effective budgeting? 1. There should be a recognized organization for budgeting, with all lines of authority and responsibility definitely allocated and defined. Number 2. The budget should distinctly mark the responsibilities of each section of the business. 3. Since a budget is based on estimates of sales, cost, etc., they should take good care to make estimates. Number 4. A budget should be made flexible, so that they may incorporate unavoidable changes if necessary. What is budgetary control? Budgetary control makes use of budget for planning and controlling all aspects of producing and selling products or services. It attempts to show the plans in financial terms. When the budgetary control applied to a business as a whole or different section within the business, it compares actual performance and the predicted performance, and thus enables all levels of management and supervision to know how their sections are moving towards the achievements of budgeted targets. Thus, budgetary control attempts to bring actual performance at par with the predicted performance, by keeping a strict supervisory eye on the actual performance, and by exercising control, if necessary. Advantages of budgeting. 1. Policy, plans, and actions are all reflected in the budgetary control system. There is a formal recognition of the targets, which the business hope to achieve. 2. Budgeting makes for better understanding, coordination, and harmony of action in a business enterprise, because all departments takes part in the process. 3. The targets, goals and policies are clearly defined. 4. It provides management with a guide of daily activities, thus helping in determining the performance and efficiency of each department, thereby leading to improvement. 5. It informs management of the progress made towards achieving the predetermined objectives. 6. Total capital required, and price of an item can be estimated in advance. Now come to limitations of budgeting. 1. Since the budget is based on estimates, that means estimated sales, estimated costs, estimated business conditions, etc. It may need periodic revisions, because estimates may not come out to be %% true. 2. A budget cannot work until the desire to make it work is established in the minds of persons working in the different sections of a business concern. If you want to read in details and download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If you find the video helpful, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.